Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about an important breakout that we have on CRO Coin, as well as where I think we're headed in the overall crypto market, and kind of give you my opinion on the overall longevity of Bitcoin and how important I think it is that we're buying Bitcoin right now. Without further ado, let's hop into this video. We are at 8,170 subscribers. Subscribe right now, because at 10,000 subscribers, we're giving away a sweet $1,000 worth of Bitcoin to one of you. And at 25,000 subscribers, we are giving away a loaded line NFT. So subscribe right now. Let's hop in, guys. So right now, Bitcoin is playing around with 28,000. You know, we're getting a little bit of money pulled out. We're getting some consolidation right now. The bots are taking some profit. We are sitting at a 46.4 dominance level on Bitcoin, which is what I want to dive into a little bit more shortly. But overall, right now, we're getting bullish continuation, guys. It's okay. It's okay. We're getting daily and weekly candle closes above 26,300, which is a very, very key level for me. And honestly, we'll look at the levels shortly, but since we're getting these daily and weekly candle closes above 26,300, it really is just bullish continuation, guys. So let's take a look at the Bitcoin dominance level, because right now I think this is a very, very interesting chart, because quite frankly, I would like to see the Bitcoin dominance come up to, say, about 50% and kind of get a breakout out of this formation right here. Now, this Bitcoin dominance chart includes stable coins, so it is a little bit less dramatic, or I should say more dramatic. It's mainly more of a suppressed chart. However, you can kind of still see the general picture of where we're going here. It's pretty incredible to see from the inception of Bitcoin, and years go on, and then when 2017 comes, just an insane amount of new coins being created and money flowing into them. And then you get the bear market where those altcoins die off, and then, you know, back in the bull market, they come back. You know, I really do see. I really would like us to see a 50% move here to 50% Bitcoin dominance, because once you reach that, I think it plays a very integral role in leading into the Bitcoin halving and kind of bringing more of these people back into crypto to realize what Bitcoin's all about, and it gives time to flush out the market of some of these coins and these zombie chains that really are just money grabs. It gives it time for them to leave, and time for real, true builders to come along and, you know, really create new, innovative things with the blockchain technology. But all in all, guys, right now, we are making our way to 50%. We need a breakout above the 48.71% on Bitcoin dominance level. It's pretty difficult to do TA on the Bitcoin dominance level, but you can kind of speculate, and that's what we're doing here. We're speculating here, guys. You know, you see the W formation. Maybe we'll have a little bit of a breakout here to the 50% range, which is what I would like to see. But let's talk about CRO Coin a little bit before we move on a little bit deeper into some crazy things that are happening with Bitcoin and the overall market. But with CRO Coin, we have a very important breakout here. It's not massively important, but it is an important breakout here that we will have a move to the upside or to the downside out of it. We are testing it right now. I would like us to see us come up here to about the 7 cents range before we have a breakout, but it is looking like we could break below this here, this triangle I have drawn here, in the shorter term. I mean, we could probably be breaking out of this in the next 3 days. We're looking at the daily chart, but if we were to come to where we should, that's about another 11 days away on April 13th. So I do think that this is an important move, because we've been playing around with this 0.0689 cent price level for, well, almost for a month, guys. A month. CRO Coin has been quite stagnant, and you know, I expect this. We're in pure consolidation mode. Bitcoin dominance is ticking up. It makes sense that these altcoins are trading sideways and to the downside. Don't panic. There's still moves. There's still places to make money. And long term, if you believe in CRO Coin, this is a fantastic time to be dollar cost averaging. If you'd like to enter a long or short to trade this breakout, go in the description box below, click the BitGet link, Binance, or Femex. Get up to $8,000 if you sign up with BitGet. All you got to do is click the link, sign up, deposit, open some trades, and you can get up to $8,000. So pretty incredible. Lots of free money in the description box below, guys. Leverage trade at your own risk. It can be very difficult, but it is a very, very great tool when you know how to harness that tool. But all in all here, guys, we're consolidating heavily with CRO Coin because Bitcoin's pulling liquidity out of the altcoins. It's simple as that. But we are going to break out shortly, I do think, in the next 10 days at most. It might even be in the next 5 days here if we continue this route that we're going right now. But, guys, CRO Coin's a great project. If it's what you truly believe in, I recommend you just dollar cost average in, and the price doesn't really matter, especially if we're in this zone between 5.5 cents and 10 cents. This is a fantastic accumulation zone leading into the Bitcoin halving. But let's take a look at Bitcoin a little bit more, guys, because we are getting closer and closer to this Bitcoin halving every single day that goes by, guys. I mean, we've been talking about this since the bottom. We've been talking about this since before the bottom on Bitcoin. And, man, we've came a long way. It's so uncanny because this is just like the levels, this 4-year cycle of Bitcoin is a constant battle between people saying, oh, the 4-year cycle is broken. Oh, Bitcoin trades in the 4-year cycle. No, it doesn't. Yes, it does. Guys, tell me that we're not trading in the same 4-year cycle. I mean, it's just incredible. Back in 2018 to 2019, we had this big leg up from the bottom, and now we're having this big leg up from the bottom, which just so happens to be relatively the same amount of time from the Bitcoin halving as it was back in 2018. It's very, very cool to see this. But all in all here, guys, I wouldn't be surprised. My trading range here is between 19,500 and maybe even the low 40,000s. It really depends on this Bitcoin narrative. And I want to talk about this Bitcoin narrative a little bit more because there's a really, really interesting chart I've been looking at here, which is the S&P 500, the Bitcoin chart, and the S&P 500 versus the Bitcoin chart. The red line indicates the difference between the S&P 500 and the Bitcoin chart, and basically the profits you would have had if you bought into it at zero versus zero on Bitcoin. And, there's a very interesting little note here on the side with Jerome Powell printing money into oblivion. You're now losing 7% of your money to inflation per year, or 0.59% per month at this rate. In 10 years, over 50% of your money has evaporated, guys. It's actually insane, and Bitcoin is here. Bitcoin is the answer, really. It's crazy. We sound like I catch myself sounding like a messiah, being like, "Oh, Bitcoin is here, Bitcoin is here." But in reality, guys, it was created back in 2018 to protect people from the centralized entities, like when the banking crisis happened in 2008. And the same stuff has been happening. It's fast forward 15 years, and the same stuff is still happening. And Bitcoin is clearly the winner here. I mean, the blue line, it's clearly the winner here. It's actually disgusting to look at this and see that your money is just getting evaporated by printing money. And, the Federal Reserve is raising rates right now, but they're still printing money at the same time. Guys, Bitcoin's the answer. Bitcoin's the answer. And if this narrative continues the way that it is and people are starting to wake up to see what's really going on in the financial world, maybe the price range won't be between 19,500 and 40,000. Maybe it'll be something more like 19,500 and breaking all-time highs before the Bitcoin halving. Now that might be Blacksea's moon boy talk, but I definitely see a possibility of that happening. Guys, if you like this type of content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel right now. Also, please consider becoming a member on the channel. Helps us out a lot. All you got to do is go down below, click the join button, and click join right here. You get access to our custom emojis, our custom loyalty badges, which will be next to your name in our comments section, as well as our live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And on top of that, you get access to our private Discord where we have NFT alpha, trade signals, NFT whitelist spot giveaways, and more of a one-on-one community with Crypto Kip and I, as well as there's going to be a lot more to come. I'm thinking about bringing some DeFi plays out there and whatnot, and it'll be a lot of fun. On top of that, you get 10 additional entries each month to winning this loaded line NFT that you are a member. So become a member right now. It'd be really awesome. Thank you so much, guys. That's all I got. Bye.